coming in from the Congress party's camp. In fact, we're given to understand that the Bahana Brigade has been activated ahead of poll dates announcement. There's a bizarre demand coming in from a Congress MP from Imran Masood, who says polls under Supreme Court supervision. That's the demand coming in from Imran Masood, who wants the Bihar polls should be conducted under the supervision of the Supreme Court, because poll panel, as per Imran Masood, can't be trusted.
वही अभी थोड़ी देर पहले एक और घटना सामने आई है कि सीजीआई के ऊपर भी एक लॉयर ने जो है वो अपना जूता फेंक के मारा है और ये कहा है कि सनातन का जो अपमान करेगा उसको सहा नहीं जाएगा।
देश को कहां लेके जाना चाहते हैं? पाषाण युग में ले जाना चाहते हैं क्या? अरे दुनिया चली गई अंतरिक्ष में, तुम पाषाण की तरफ जा रहे हो। कहां लेके जाना चाहते हो देश को? अकेला खड़ा कर दिया पूरे विश्व में तुमने अपने आप को। कोई हमारा दोस्त नहीं है और हम किसी के नहीं है। कहां खड़े?
Okay, so that was a reaction on what transpired in the Supreme Court, the attack on CJI. We'll play out the reaction where Imran Masood, in fact, is demanding the polls to be conducted under Supreme Court supervision. Let me quickly go across to Nikul Patel, who continues to be with us on the broadcast. The critics of the Congress party, Nikul Patel, would say that Congress is already looking for a bahana. In case they lose the elections, they're already looking for a bahana and setting, the groundwork for that.
See, winning and losing the election is always going to be there by any of the political party. And if you see Bihar, especially the state, since long Congress is not able to win as what they have planned. So it's not going to be bahana, but definitely there is always some reason behind losing an election, as there is always a reason behind winning an election. But this time, as what Rahul Gandhi along with Tejasvi Yadav, they are going to contest this upcoming elections, and definitely BJP as well as NDA bloc is going to feel the heat about it.
Okay.
And they will find equal footings over there, and Rahul Gandhi is trying his best to
Well, that remains to be seen who feels the heat. Let's once again try and take that reaction from Imran Masood, where he's saying that the elections should happen under the supervision of the Supreme Court.
अरे आप तो जीत करके पहले से तय कर लेते हो ना कि कहां से कितनी जीत है। आप एचएम का बयान नहीं देखा था? कहा था 303 ही आई। ऐसा कौन सा आंकड़ा है उनके पास कि भाई इतनी आनी है? तो ये आंकड़े सारे पता चल रहा है ना कहां से आ रहे हैं, कहां नहीं आ रहे हैं। तो वोट चोरी हुई है और वोट चोरी हो रही है। हम रोकने का प्रयास करेंगे, किस हद तक कामयाब होंगे ईश्वर जानता है।
इलेक्शन को लेकर कुछ
इलेक्शन कमीशन बेईमान है, वो तो ईमानदार नहीं है,
तो फिर
निष्पक्ष नहीं है।
तो चुनाव कैसे होंगे?
अब देखिए, हम चाहते हैं कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट की निगरानी के अंदर इन तमाम चीजों के ऊपर क्या जाए।
Imran Masood reiterates charges against election commission, says election commission is biased, they don't trust the election commission, and they want the Bihar elections to happen under the supervision of the Supreme Court. Dr. Nikul Patel, thank you very much for giving us your time. Thank you for sharing your perspective. We are slipping into a short break.